Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest iteration of a beloved model, the 2025 BMW X3 replacement. This compact luxury SUV has been a favorite among BMW enthusiasts and continues to impress with its blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 BMW X3 replacement maintains the classic, aggressive stance we've come to expect from BMW, but with some sleek updates. The kidney grills are slightly larger and feature a more intricate design, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the front end a more dynamic look. The lines along the sides are sharper, and the overall profile feels sportier and more refined. Under the hood, the 2025 X3 offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. You can choose from a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, a more powerful 6-cylinder, and even a plug-in hybrid option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. The hybrid model combines an electric motor with the traditional engine to provide impressive fuel efficiency and strong acceleration. Inside, the X3 is all about luxury and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, featuring leather upholstery, wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting. The centerpiece of the interior is the new infotainment system, which includes a large touchscreen display, enhanced voice controls, and seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is fully configurable, giving you all the information you need right at your fingertips. BMW has also packed the 2025 X3 with the latest driver assistance features. Standard and available options include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. These technologies work together to enhance safety and make driving easier, whether you're on a long highway journey or navigating through city traffic. Driving dynamics remain a strong point for the X3. The chassis and suspension have been tuned to offer a perfect balance between sporty handling and comfort. The available adaptive M suspension allows you to adjust the ride quality to your liking, making the X3 a joy to drive in any situation. And if you opt for the M40i variant, you get even more power and a sportier setup that will satisfy the most enthusiastic drivers. In terms of practicality, the X3 continues to excel. The rear seats offer ample space for passengers, and the cargo area is generous for the segment. The split folding rear seats make it easy to expand the cargo area when you need to carry larger items, and there are plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin to keep your belongings organized. Overall, the 2025 BMW X3 replacement is a well-rounded luxury SUV that offers something for everyone. Whether you prioritize performance, luxury, technology, or efficiency, the X3 has you covered. It's clear that BMW has put a lot of thought into updating this model, ensuring it remains competitive in a crowded market. That's it for today's review of the 2025 BMW X3 replacement. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new X3 and if it's on your list for your next vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.